How to use Allianz Disability Insurance Germany properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Disability Insurance in Germany is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Yet many people make costly mistakes that can reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. One common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some Allianz policies cover only your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you with partial or no benefits if your condition only affects your current role. Neglecting the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the period before benefits begin. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Matching this with your savings and monthly expenses is essential. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial commitments. Selecting too low a benefit may save money upfront but leave you underprotected if a serious illness or injury occurs. Ignoring optional riders is another mistake. Allianz offers riders like residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Skipping these can limit flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Allianz requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Allianz Disability Insurance Germany can provide strong income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to secure your financial future.